two important updates regarding Portugal immigration I will give you in this clip, and these two updates of course you are waiting. One update, some people received country out letters and they just wanted to know that what is the status, and they wanted to know what they need to do, how many days they will have to fight, and they must contact a lawyer or not, is there any chance of appeal. Lot of questions regarding country out emails according to new deportation law which is just approved by the parliament. And another question is also important, and discussion and analysis regarding nationality law, I think popular and viral topic of the Portugal migration currently now. And question is that what is actually going on in Constitution Court, and how many days Constitution Court can keep. And this is a very positive I think question. Reason is that because all eyes of migrants are watching nationality law update, because once they will get information that nationality law of 10 years implemented, then they will think about their future, and they had made already plans. So all eyes are waiting. We also giving suggestion, advices, counseling to the immigrants. Please stitch with Portugal until any decision, final decision mean after signature of president, still after implementation you must think to migrate from Portugal to any other country. Otherwise you may be very settled in Portugal, because only problem is nationality duration. So first of all, I will tell you, in Constitution Court on 14th December the time will be over. Today is 11 and today is 10th December. So on 14th December they need to decide, Constitution Court need to decide what Constitution Court can do. They can send law to the president and can give a recommendation that this law is absolutely correct. There is no any clash or antagonism with Portugal's law. Everything is according to Portugal's, therefore you must approve, you can sign. There is no any hurdle, there is no any resistivity. And another option which is more probable, which I will share, the second option Constitution Court can do. Constitution Court will send nationality law to the Parliament House and will say to review the nationality law. And 100% chance, I can say, this is my prediction, that Constitution Court will say to Parliament to review. Reason is very clear. You can think yourself. On 25 days Constitution Court is taking, and this is maximum time. Normally Constitution Court decide within 3 days, 4 days. Why they are unable to decide? There is a confusion among members of Constitution Court, because lawyers are within Constitution Court, according to reports, are telling this law can change the fate of Portugal migration system, and Portugal immigration and financial status of the Portugal will be affected, as I told you in the last clips. On other hand, another evidence and reason is that Constitution Court may not send this bill to President. The parliamentarians talking about, even Shiga party proposal, parliament members who voted for this nationality law, now they are talking that we need to review this law. They themselves, why are talking? Because they got some information from Constitution Court in code words that make another plan, or make another plan, or make any other plan which is very suitable. Or backward plan must be ready, and they are technically telling parliamentarians make any alternative plan, otherwise your law will be cancelled. So they are starting conversation with each other. They already started that we need to review the law. So mostly probabilities of this nationality law that Constitution Court will send to the Parliament House for review. And what will happen next for 4 days, very important. I will tell you what is happening. I will record a session on that. Now I come back to next. According to new deportation law, many migrants are receiving country out letters, which is also called deportation letters, and they did not know the Portugal's laws. Mostly people are victims because they are not aware of immigration laws. Unfortunately, they are not studying the website of the immigration system of the countries, and they are not checking what is actually going on, due to which they are suffering. So I will tell you one thing which is very important, that a deportation letter, when you will have date is received at email, the date at which you receive the email, you have only 20 days. So I am telling you once again, according to Portugal's current deportation law, you have only 20 days. Within 20 days, you have to decide to deport, or you have to decide to go to any lawyer. So you have option of go to lawyer, and when lawyer will file your appeal, because you have chance of appeal, I think you must fight and you must submit documents. And that is the point I am talking, that in all cases AIMA is not right. AIMA may be wrong in their assessment, and you may be legal individual, you may have a tax number, if you worked, and a lot of chances that court will give you stay. So better you go to lawyer with your documents, and lawyer will file the case, and lawyer will file the appeal, and appeal date of filing is very important. In that time your 20 days will be at which day you are on 5th day, you are 10th day, you are 11th day. Definitely after receiving your email, you will think, you will go to lawyer, and you will consume time, and lawyer will also prepare the documents. Maybe 10 days passed, your 10 days will stop there. Please note down in your copy. 10 days, for example, gone in exactly the date at which your appeal has been filed. The day of deportation will stop. Mean 10 days you have spent in filing application, appeal filing. Your lawyer filed appeal after 10 days. Still 10 days will remain, but now your days will stop until decision of appeal. When decision of appeal will come in your favor, definitely deportation letters are cancelled. If decision of appeal is not in your favor, is in favor of AIMA, and they say AIMA is exactly right, they gave right decision, you need to deport, and still your time will start right, that at the time, the date at which decision will come, your days which were stopped, for example 10 days you had spent in filing appeal to the court. Now these days will start from the same days. For example, 10 days you stopped, so 10 days you still have to leave the Portugal according to Portugal's immigration. Then you have no any right. So I am telling you, don't save your money. You must hire a good international experience, especially who has experience of preventing people from the deportation with the documents. You must contact good lawyers. You people are missing immigration direction, because you normally going to agents which are normally fake agents. You are not going to genuine lawyers, and agents, they always told wrong things. And most of the people who are stuck and they are getting country out letters, they gave same problem, the wrong junta, they have given the fake junta, they have deposited wrong documents due to agents during their file locking, and now they are suffering. So these two details I have given you. I will keep updating you. Keep watching my channel, World Immigration News, covering almost all developed countries with analysis and